Hey, this is Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. In this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how you can use the clone feature on LifterLMS courses. So if you navigate on the WordPress dashboard to courses, right here on the sidebar, it'll be all courses. And if you hover over any of your courses here, you can click on clone, and that will give you a copy of your course. That's going to be a copy of the title, a copy of all the lessons you built out in your course, a copy of all the quizzes and assignments. It's going to be kind of a photocopy exactly of your course, and now you can see I have one I published a few seconds ago, and this is an exact copy of my previous course, and I can edit it from here. Now this is a good jumping off point if you're trying to make a course modeled after another course. If you update something in one course, it's not going to update in another. You're pretty much making a clone, but from here on out they are separate courses. They'll have the same information though, but that's a pretty easy way to clone a course in LifterLMS. Of course, there's other ways to do it if you're going from one site to another site. Maybe you want to export instead. You can export here and then go to your other website and then go to LifterLMS import on your other site, and you can simply upload your file. That's technically another way you could clone a course on one site, but that's an easy way to clone from one site to another site. But if you're just cloning within one site, the easiest way to do it is use this built-in LifterLMS clone feature.